What up, what up?
Yeah.
Bro, it is a cold one today. Oh my God. What's going on, fam? Welcome back to the channel for another video. As you can tell right off the bat, we are with Teddy and we are on a mission today. You wanna tell him what you got going on?
One of these people that I hit up a long time ago for some parts on his car, and he ended up hitting me back yesterday saying that his car got hit in Richmond yesterday, or not yesterday, but it got hit in Richmond while it was parked, and he wants to get rid of some parts. So we're going to look at them, and if all goes well, we'll cop them.
How's the clutch feeling?
Great.
How many braking miles are you at?
72.
That's it? You better get some mileage on this thing, boy. So we're pulling up now. We just spotted the car. It's so unfortunate. I would really never wish this upon anybody. Gosh, man. Just think, Teddy, that could be you, man.
Fuck you.
So are you grabbing the wide body fenders too? I mean, you are going back to Hot Boy Bag Status, aka Raymond Anthony, aka. Oh, he does have it. It is super unfortunate though. And what's the dude's name? What's going on, man?
What's up?
How you doing? Yo, I'm sorry to see this, bro. At least you're all right. Were you in the car or?
I was parked over there.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Was it a drunk driver?
Nah, it was raining and somebody hit a lady. And then she lost control, comes right to my car.
Jesus Christ.
That's fine. I bought better than that. I got a Hellcat.
Oh, you got a Hellcat. What year?
Not 2017.
Nice. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, she got hit good, huh? Damn.
I only got it for less than 6 months.
I like the wheels on that.
I'm trying something.
Yeah? What are those?
Nah, that's not I'm taking out today. And the hood. You remember your friend, the one with the red Mustang?
Jordan?
Jordan?
Yeah.
He asked me for the hood.
Oh, did he?
Yeah. I don't know if he still want it.
How much you want for it?
Nah, whatever, he gave me like 700. It got it, like it got scratched from here.
Yeah. That's a stalker hood.
I got a deal because I know Derek wants a hood.
I work inside our store and I found the car all the way down. I was like, yo, where the hell my car at? I look in the camera, that car is all the way over there.
Jeez. Did the lady, like, I'm assuming like her car was destroyed.
Yeah.
From looking at this is crazy. And this all, like, this got pushed into something else?
Yeah, to the fence.
Good God.
I just have a 2015. I got a car.
Well, now that you got the Hellcat, I think you should bring it out sometime. I've never really tested one before. I know they're quick.
Yeah.
I know they're quick, but I definitely want to get some test hits in on one. This is unfortunate, man. I'm sorry to see this. And I'm also sorry that you switched to Mopar. I really do like this stalker hood. This is definitely one that I've considered. Joel has the same exact hood on his car, actually. I'm just not 100% sure what direction I want to get, because I could go like, you know, stalker hood. I do like it because it does have like the open air vent to cool off the blower, has the vents up top that I really like for the black accents. But then you come over to Teddy's car and you have a cowl hood that looks incredibly mean. So it's, I'm about like 50-50 right now. He actually has the video of the car getting hit captured by that camera up there, correct? Oh, that one over there.
If only didn't have the wide body fender, I'd take a picture and be like, damn, total loss.
I don't know if this is like bad luck or is this just kind of like...
Hopefully no juju.
It is what it is.
That's not the whole thing.
They just push you against the fence and just...
Oh my God, wow.
Yeah, they're coming behind. I have the management, the one keep the air. I have it in the house.
Sounds pretty good. We're gonna get this stuff loaded up and see if we can find the other piece real quick. I'm trying to convince him not to bag the car again and just go straight to a supercharger. So do me a favor, DBP squad, drop a comment down below. Talk some sense into this man. Tell him to boost the car first. Then if he wants to bag it later on, to bag it, because he has to go to Mustang Week this year with that Vortec or Paxton blower on there. Who's that?
Yeah, but who wouldn't want to see this car bagged and boosted?
Who would want to see it boosted first, though? Thank you. That's everybody watching right now, so do your thing, fam. Yellow. Bro, why do you sleep with your headset around your head? Bro, every time you FaceTime one of us, you always got the headset. We already know you're locked in.
I'm always locked in, man. I'm running a bunch of sports out here and television.
Are we washing cars or what?
Oh, yeah, I'm down to watch some less. My joke got a whole slate of dirt. It's hard to be about an hour.
That's not surprising.
You didn't tell me you got the garage either.
Oh, you knew about it? Look at this filthy thing. Can you believe he wants to bag that car again? Imagine like intercooler, blow-off valve.
Talking shit?
Yeah, boost the car. You know, low key, I think he's scared to boost it because Lucifer might give him the gap sauce. Nothing. That could be the reason, honestly.
Derek's only mad because he can't find another bag kit or else he'd do it with me. You're telling me if I found 2 kits, you wouldn't do it?
No. Wanna know why?
You're lying. You're lying.
I think Teddy just wants to stay at that 400 horsepower level for the rest of his life, which I can totally understand. You know, 700 ain't meant for everyone. This is the new / temp garage. It's not too big, but it's decent. I mean, it's the second biggest one they offer at our complexes. But obviously, you know mine, the wall goes in like another 3 feet this way and another like 2 feet that way. But I just gotta rock this for, you know, a little over a month. And, which is cool though, because at least Blue will have its own garage. And then once I get the other one, it'll be much better. Let's hear this blow-off valve.
Big ass intercooler right there.
That's what I was just saying. But no, I wanna bag my car again. Cause you know we're not out of the hot boy status yet. Put those sound effects in. Hey, Teddy. Even this car's boosted and you're not. Well, 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 look who decided to show up, finally. Who had the GT500 bumper first?
Bro, he did.
Oh, so you jocked him.
Ask him who got it for the cheapest.
Hey, yo, Teddy, who got the bumper first? He said he did.
So who got it for the cheapest up?
Who got the bumper first?
Accident to get a bumper. I bought mine.
I ain't getting no accident to get the bumper.
So you said insurance fraud.
$3.99.
Insurance fraud?
Definitely not. Definitely.
You just had to do that.
Just had
I have been convincing this man to boost his car.
I never air out.
I know.
You always tell me I never air out, so I'm airing out.
Oh, he doesn't know? Oh, you don't know? Come here, come here. Hey, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. There's some brewskis back there. What you doing, bro?
It's dirty right now. You know what I'm saying? That's why we're going to get it
Oh,
clean.
That.
Okay. Nice modification. Close the trunk. He trying to be like me.
Yo, that's what I said.
Like me.
Raise this kid.
He trying to be like me.
Yo.
I had my car way before you. Don't talk. He's jocking me, bro. And watch next DBP gonna have it, and we gonna go laugh.
Chill.
You don't gotta be first. But when you do it, you gotta do it right. You know what I'm saying? Look better.
4 setups.
Oh no, hey, drop a comment. Which one look better? We're gonna post Teddy's picture up. We're gonna post one of my pictures up.
You know that makes you jealous.
What? That?
He's lower than you now.
Dude, it looks like the Mustang we saw earlier that I got the bag from.
It does. I just remember these rice days though, man. You don't want to go back to this.
This is what he needs.
No.
This is what he needs. I don't know if it's what he wants, but this is what he needs. You know what I'm saying? I got this cool feature. I got bulletproof front windshield. Check me.
That's bird shit.
Nah, man, that's bulletproof, bro. I'm telling y'all, don't try me. Don't try me. I don't know, man. The Boosty Boost is definitely mighty interesting, but
That's what I'm
drop a
saying.
comment. What y'all want to see, Boost or bad?
So we got some Corsa Extreme quad tips on here. You know, jocking your boy DBP, but it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, that definitely sounds better than the Roush. Oh wait, he hasn't started his car yet. Hold on. All right, wait, start your car real quick. What is that, a V6 or what?
Ego Boost.
Louder is better. She screams like I want her to.
When you get that stimmy! Just got my stim check.
Wait,
What's up?
you just got it? Hold up. We're about to check this. Yeah, no stimulus for your boy. I'm pissed. Digging the Charger, bro.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks good. Hey, let's see that 0 to 60 real quick. Damn. Did you hear that? Yo, he's gonna catch a speeding ticket in here. What up, man? Hey, they want to know when that Charger's gonna get louder. When are you gonna get it louder, bro? Are Are you convinced yet?
I'm convinced. I'm convinced. His is a little bit deeper. I'm a big fan of that.
That's my guy right here.
Hey, I'm thinking about changing my name though, because you already got a great white.
Yeah.
Hey, Raymond's, isn't yours cream pie?
Hey, I'm a flame.
Huh?
He said, hey, I'm LaFlame.
Hey, Frozone, you already look like Frozone. Where's your super suit? Honey, where is my super suit?
Anyway, we have to get Tyler here, his scat pack on exhaust levels. So, mark my words, next week, one video is going to drop and he's going to have it. We're forcing him.
I used to race here back in high school.
I used to race back in middle school with my go-karts.
At the light, I'm going.
Mario Kart style. You couldn't even see me. I was out there just
There's something wrong with him, dude.
Hey man, why your car driving so slow?
Alright fam, so I am actually gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do your boy a favor, please drop a like up on this video. I'm gonna make a deal with you all right now. I'll post content, but you gotta promise me you'll come back and watch, and you'll drop some likes and comments for your boy. That's all I'm asking. With that, today's DBP vlog shout out is going out to Era's Mach 1, a beautiful car, man. Make sure you guys go check him out on the gram. And if any of you want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions, and make sure you use the hashtag DBP Squad in all your posts. But again, thank you so much for watching. We will catch you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time, for a live stream. And then next week we got some bangers dropping, so you don't want to miss out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. But until next time, see you later.